Are you looking for a heart and weight-friendly, delicious weeknight recipe that can be made in under 30 minutes and easily fit into your weekly menu rotation? Well, look no further. This simple roasted cod with tomatoes recipe that I'll be making for you today is the perfect meal if you're a busy mom, busy dad, or professional with very little time on your hands. February is Heart Health Month. So if you're struggling with your cholesterol or with your blood pressure, this recipe will certainly fit the bill. The cod in this recipe is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids that can help lower triglycerides, which is an unhealthy fat marker in the body. Omega-3 fats are an essential fat the body needs for optimal heart health, but cannot produce on its own. So it is essential that you get it in your diet. The typical American diet is loaded in saturated fats, salts, and sugars. Processed foods are also a staple in most Americans' fast-paced, busy life. So let's get rid of the processed and let's move forward towards more heart-healthy whole foods. So please consider adding this recipe to your weekly menu rotation. You can easily buy frozen cod and keep it in the freezer until you're ready to use it. And now hit the like button if you feel you are ready to add more delicious and heart-healthy meals to your diet. Now, let's get cooking. What a delicious meal. Consider adding a side of quinoa, brown rice, or even bulgur as a side to this dish. A chunk of crusty, whole grain bread will do as well. And remember, every step you take in creating simple, heart-healthy meals gets you closer to better health as well as weight management. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to hit that subscribe button in order to access more quick and easy, delicious recipes like this. Remember, take care of your heart so it can take care of you.